Sri Lanka is an island nation, surrounded by the Indian Ocean. With the Bay of Bengal to the east, and Arabian Sea to the west, the country has no shortage of beautiful beach landscapes. The abundance of beach locations around the coastline makes it easy to enjoy the pristine sandy shores throughout the year. Some of the locations are great diving or snorkeling sites, while others are renowned as surfing spots. The beaches around the country have to be kept clean for everyone to enjoy. Plastic litter is one of the biggest causes of pollution worldwide, with 1,500 PET plastic bottles thrown away every second. Lots of this litter finds its way to landfills, with a huge amount polluting waterways and eventually the seashore. Sri Lanka is no exception, generating 16,800 metric tons of plastic waste annually. It's the challenge of dealing with PET litter, which has created a unique initiative in this island. It's hard to believe that most PET litter which has been scrupulously collected on Sri Lankan beaches become upcycled into not just more plastic products, but amazingly, cleaning equipment, outdoor sports equipment, fitness wear and fashion wear. How does this incredible transformation take place? Eco-Spindles, in collaboration with government agencies and other corporates, have devised a multi-pronged strategy to deal with the PET waste. The largest generators of PET waste fall into several categories. Firstly, fisheries harbors are points where fishing craft take out hundreds of bottles of water out to the ocean. The trips lasting weeks see lots of PET bottles dumped into the ocean. This has been regularized and controlled through a monitoring and collection system. The beaches are also systematically checked and cleaned by PET waste collectors. They make a living by selling the waste to collection centers. Next, high traffic points, including supermarkets and highway exits, have strategic placement of collection bins. Lastly, religious sites are also covered through placement of bins and collection drives during seasonal religious activities. All this PET waste is sorted and baled at collection centers. The waste is then dispatched to a state-of-the-art processing plant located at the Ho-Rana Free Trade Zone. Once the plastic has been unloaded, it goes through a meticulous sorting process. The waste is screened for unwanted and potentially hazardous material. This sorted PET waste is again bundled into bales for moving on to the next stage. The next step is where the magic commences. A series of machines wash and process the plastic, which has been now sorted by color. Once the plastic passes through the entire process, it produces clean plastic flakes which can be used for recycling. The common process of producing monofilaments from plastic PET flakes used in many domestic and professional cleaning products is one of the uses of recycled flakes. However, most of the flakes are fed into a second production plant. This manufacturing facility, of which there are only 2 worldwide, is able to process the plastic flakes and produce yarn, which in turn is used in dozens of applications. What's more, the yarn can be dope dyed to create a range of colors, which is a saving of the quantity of water used, which would have been needed in a conventional process. Eco-Spindles has worked towards keeping Sri Lankan beaches free of plastic litter. The upcycling also creates something beautiful, useful, and more importantly sustainable, from a product we throw away. So the next time you enjoy the ambience of one of the great beach locations or a religious site, remember that responsible disposal of PET litter means that we have a beautiful environment to enjoy, as well as accountably contributing to creating sustainable products.